Understanding Bankruptcy Claims, a guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important and complex topic, bankruptcy claims. Understanding this concept is crucial, not just for business professionals, but for anyone who wants to navigate the financial world with confidence. So, let's break it down together, ensuring you can grasp every aspect of this critical subject. A bankruptcy claim is a formal assertion by a creditor stating that the person or company declaring bankruptcy, the debtor, owes them money. When a company or individual faces financial distress and cannot pay their debts, they might file for bankruptcy. This process allows the debtor to get relief from their debts, but it also means that creditors need to stake their claims to potentially recover some of what they are owed. Bankruptcy claims can be divided mainly into two categories. 1. Secured claims. These are backed by a specific asset, like a house or car. If the debtor defaults, the creditor has the right to take the asset to satisfy the debt. 2. Unsecured claims. These do not have any collateral backing them. Creditors with unsecured claims often receive a proportion of what they are owed, depending on the debtor's financial situation and the bankruptcy proceedings. Creditors file a document called a proof of claim in the bankruptcy proceedings. This document provides the bankruptcy court with details about the claim, including the amount of debt owed and whether the claim is secured or unsecured. It's crucial for creditors to file their claims within the stipulated timeframe and ensure their documentation is accurate, to stand a chance of recovering any of their money. For debtors, filing for bankruptcy and dealing with claims can lead to a fresh start financially but might come with repercussions like a lower credit score and difficulties in obtaining future loans. For creditors, while there's a possibility of recovering a portion of the owed amount, there's also the risk of losing a significant part of their investment. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has shed light on the complex world of bankruptcy claims. Whether you're a business owner, a student, or just someone interested in financial matters, understanding these concepts can be incredibly empowering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay informed and take control of your financial journey.